not really part of the vlog or anything, but that snow you just saw is gone. Quickly the weather changes in this country. It is like the sun is like just... Very good news. I'm on my way to finally pick up my camera. I'm gonna collect my camera, but we're also gonna load up for a shoot and make use of our time. Pickup time. This is very exciting. Sneezing while driving feels really risky. Can't help set. We're in an art gallery and it's a project I've been working on for about 6 months now. It's going to be another 6 months, but we're filming like 4 different artists who are doing a piece which is based around Mary Magdalene. Interesting. This is one of the pieces. Look at this. Constructed a big map. Saoirse, do you like the map?
I love the map. It's stunning.
What's your favourite part?
All of it. I just want to touch it. I can't.
You can. Go ahead. I did. Have you enjoyed it?
Longer. I think it's been 8 months.
Is it?
Yeah.
Had a few members of the public coming in there just to have a look at the actual art piece, and I told them to leave because this is a film set. But they'd come all the way from Waterford, so I'm just letting them look around. I think that's only fair. Everything's looking good. Leon and Saoirse have done a great job. Leon, you've done a great job.
Cheers, man.
Saoirse. Saoirse, where are you? Saoirse, you did a great job.
Thanks.
Ben, where are you? Let's see what kind of job you did. But just a simple enough interview today. That's all we're doing. Nothing too complicated. Should be out of here pretty soon. I think they're here actually. All finished. Went well.